Hello everyone, my name is Ellen from Are We There Yet, the channel for parents that want to explore the world with their kids. In this episode we are in Bruges with the kids. Let's see how that went. So we took a train from Antwerp and before we knew it we were in Bruges. Now, Bruges was a very important city for trade in the Middle Ages, and lots of the buildings are still intact today. Just strolling around the cobblestone streets is probably the best way to explore Bruges with your family. Historium was probably the highlight of the trip for our kids. In this museum you are taken from room to room where a story unfolds that takes place in the golden ages of Bruges. Sounds, visual effects and even smells take you straight to the Middle Ages. There's a fun exhibition for kids at the end. Visiting the Basilica of the Holy Blood may not exactly sound like a kid-friendly activity, but the building evokes the atmosphere of the Middle Ages perfectly, and the stained glass windows are just stunning. A boat ride on the small canals is a must in Bruges. It's fun to see the city from another perspective. Just don't do it when it rains, like we did. Of course, there's lots more to see and do in Bruges. Visit Bruges is the perfect website to start your research for a city trip with your kids. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Bye!